Welcome back to Techie Trend. Please like, share, follow Techie Trend on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it.
Multiplication. Let's change from addition to multiplication by replacing the plus sign with a times sign. It should now be a1 times a2. Press enter and see what happens. So we replace the addition sign, the addition operator, with a multiplication operator, which is the asterisk, equals to 100 times 2 is 200. If we do the same here, we replace this. $3,200. 100 times 2 times 16 will give us 3,200. And that is basically how we calculate with Excel. Now, filling makes our life easier. This is the main point of focus of this video. Filling makes our life easier and is used to use fill ranges with values so that we do not have to type manual entries. Fillings can be used for copying sequences, dates, functions. How to fill? Filling is done by selecting a cell, clicking the fill icon, selecting the range, and using drag to mark while holding the left mouse down. The fill icon is in the bottom right corner of our cell and has the icon of a small square. Once you hover over it, your mouse pointer will change its icon to a thin cross. So let's do that here. Okay, let's create a new spreadsheet. We'll come back to that data set. A new spreadsheet I showed you. Just click on the add button here. So we want to use fill. Let's say we have a random words 100. This is the fill button. This small square here. Once you hover around it, your mouse will turn to a cross sign. You click on it, hold the mouse down, your left click and hold the mouse down, drag it down to as many as you want, and it will fill the others with what was in A1 basically. So if you do with words, girls, and drag it down, or deck 1, words and letters, drag it down, it will still fill itself, and that is basically filling. Fill can be used for copying. It can be used for both numbers and words. What I just showed here, both numbers, both words. It can be used for copying. You can also copy sideways without needing to drag it down. You can copy vertically. Up, down. You can copy as many as you want. The only difference is what I'll show you the difference between this and normal copying as we progress. Filling can be used to create sequences. A sequence is an order or a pattern that we can use for filling function to continue the order that has been set. Sequences can, for example, be used on numbers, dates. You can start learning how to count from 1 to 10. So Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. To create a sequence with Excel, 1, using the fill function, 2. I've created 2 numbers. Now, once I highlight this and fill the other cells with it, it starts a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It counts it down. Normally, if you put 1, drag it down, it will fill all the others with 1. But once you use, even if you use 2 and drag it down, it will only fill it with 2. But once you use 1, 2, Excel recognizes a pattern and creates a sequence based on that pattern to fill the other cell. That is basically it for this video. In the next video, we'll explain more on the filling. See you in the next video. NS out.